Lake Michigan, bro. About to make some pancakes. I don't want to slam down and have my do this, you know. I want to have an accident in my pants, is what I'm saying. I'm the first person in the world to do that. Like, not me. No way, no one coming out the middle of Lake Michigan just to make me pancakes. We're full tilt. We are currently at 352 feet of water. I am out in the middle of absolutely nowhere. It's pretty nice though. It is pretty calming. It actually looks like it's calming down. You know what's crazy to me? That we hardly have explored like the bottoms of like the ocean, Lake Michigan, you know, whatever. So who knows if there's actually like a giant Loch Ness monster sitting at the bottom of this lake. Like, who knows? Here, I'm gonna give you a look. Can you see down there for me? Is there anything down there? Nah, there isn't. You know what sounds good right now? A pancake, yes. But also Taco Bell, dude. Every time I come out in the water, dude, Taco Bell just sounds so good to me. All right. Look at this. Where are we? We're middle of Lake Michigan, bro. About to make some pancakes. Here we go. I'm slightly worried if I do turn off the engine, it's not turning back on. It's not a two-stroke, but there's always that possibility. I got my pancake mix. I got my plates in here somewhere. My plates, my butter, the Z pan, fork, spatula, maple syrup, and I think that's it. I think that's all we need. We are making pancakes out in the middle of Lake Michigan right now. What depth is it? 327 feet of water. We got our pancake mix here that definitely hardened up because it was freezing. It's almost like Play-Doh at this point. Mix it up. Mix it up a little bit. These are gonna be some thick pancakes. Why do I feel like I hear a boat? No matter, that's a plane. I mean, it's still edible, but well. We are making pancakes in the middle of Lake Michigan, dude. And there's still bugs out here. What is this? I think this one's good. We're doing one more. Yeah, buddy. I got my syrup, my maple syrup. Yeah, buddy. Look at this. Look at this. Some golden, beautiful pancakes on Lake Michigan. Let's eat, bro. Let's eat. Let's eat up. Yeah, buddy. This is good. Tastes different out here. I don't know what the difference is, but it tastes different out here. Probably because I'm in the middle of Lake Michigan. Feels pretty good. Thank you, Lord. for allowing me to be able to do this. Oh, what a big freighter ship! Big freighter ship, bro. Man, he just kind of appeared out of nowhere. Well, I'm glad I'm not the only one out here, to be honest. These are some good pancakes. But I got a trip back, man. I definitely got a trip back. Sun going down. We still got probably an hour and a half of daylight left up. Here's some good pancakes, man. They're all good. We are all good. All right. My water from like 27 years ago. I don't want that one. Some good old fresh water to drink it down. I'm already a little chilled, and we got a little chilly ride back. So let's do this. We're almost back. Got roughly about 10 miles to go. Probably should fuel her up. She's still good. I bet she could make it back. But I just don't want to completely run out, just in case, you know. That should do it. That's most of that 5-gallon tank here. That's most of it. Yeah. We'll get back at it. They got damn foggy quick. Holy sh**. Dude, it got so foggy. So quick. Holy crap. I'm going 4.5, 5 miles an hour so I can figure out exactly what side, like where the pier head is. I'm coming up close, I know that, obviously. I just don't see a physical structure is the problem. Finally see it, bro. It's your boy. Just got back from going out to the middle of Lake Michigan. That was pretty good. I'm not lying. I go for Taco Bell. The only thing I had to eat today were those pancakes. Stay tuned.